Hey Legacy family, Judy Neal here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is personalize. Clients love listing alerts, home valuation reports, and market updates by neighborhood. Why? Because they're personalized to them, specific to their needs. Well, in Legacy Real Estate's Smart CRM Bullet Trail, you can use merge tags, hashtags, and groups, and also it's smart technology to identify buyers, sellers, renters, to formulate your messages in a more cohesive manner. Because clients love a one-to-one connection, but you can use smart technology to have one-to-many communication by sharing the same information to many people, but personalizing it so that they feel connected to you. Check it out. To get started, log into Bullet Trail. This is the merge tag icon. Begin your email. Hi, and now I want to personalize it to my client. So I will click the Insert Merge Tag icon, select Lead, and select the first name. And then I draft my email, include my signature, and hit Send. When you send it out though to a lot of people, be sure to hit BCC and send it to all the people that you'd like to send it to. You can also use a merge tag in a text message. Select the clients you'd like to text, click the Text button, scroll down to the message section, and notice it says to add a merge tag, type this bracket. So when you hold the Shift key and type the bracket, it pops up different options. And just like in the email, you can select the lead first name. And now when I text these multiple clients, each one of them will have their own name featured and then my message. Within each profile, there is a section to add search alerts, campaigns, market reports, and listing valuations. Additionally, you can hyper-focus your messaging by personalizing to the specific deal type, if they're a buyer, a seller, or renter. You can select to communicate with the certain client journey that they're in. Maybe it's everybody in your sphere, or it's a prospect or new leads, active leads, clients, contracts, or even past clients. Go into the marketing section, click Schedule Mass Emails, click Schedule Email. There's multiple ways to send the email. You can save it to a saved filter, you can send it to a hashtag, group of people, or you can send it to your status. You can insert the merge field so it's personalized to them every single time. For more information about this or other Legacy tools, click the Learning Portal link or visit legacylearncenter.com.